Did you know that the value of your home could increase dramatically more than your neighbors? If you're thinking of selling, watch this video first. Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to share with you some information on land assemblies. Now I'm going to make you a lot of money here, so at least that you can do is hit that subscribe button. Land assemblies can be anywhere between 2 and 18 properties. The standard block in Vancouver is between 12 to 18 homes. When a developer is looking at the property, they're looking at a price per square foot for the property as a whole. So if your property is 3,000 square feet and your neighbor's is 3,100 square feet, the developer is going to give you each the same amount of money, since the price is based on the whole parcel. Many times homeowners agree to split the difference, and the problem happens is when one property owner is saying, my home is newer or my home has more square feet than my neighbors, I should get more. The age of your home and the square feet of your home has no bearing on the total value per square foot that the developer is willing to pay. The price per square foot is determined by the number of homes that they can put together. 3-home assembly is worth more than a 2-home assembly. And of course, a 6-story building will bring a higher cost per square foot than a 3-story building. One mistake homeowners is when they're dealing directly with the developer. The developer has a real estate agent working for them. The agent's job is to make sure that they get the property for the best possible price for the developer. By having a real estate agent on your side, you will have the best possible chance to get the most money for your home and not leave any money on the table. Another mistake that homeowners do is they're thinking that the buyer is a developer when in fact the buyer is an investor. An investor is not going to be improving the land, so they're not going to be paying the same amount of money as a developer would. Have you received an offer in the mail from a developer, and are you thinking of selling your home? Call me direct, 778-879-8366. I'm happy to share more information about land assemblies with you.